Students, today we are going to see what is the difference between conventional vision and computer numerical control vision. So it is a lathe, CNC lathe we see here. And the CNC lathe, first we will understand what is the difference between conventional and the CNC lathe. So conventional lathe, we have a spindle and we have a, which we call it as light center, and that is head stop, and then we have a dead center that is called tail stop. The same way we have a carriage, tool post and slide rails. We have a lathe bed to withstand all the vibrations that is coming from the cutting operation. So coming to CNC machines, CNC is abbreviated as computer numerical control. So we need a computer, we have an interface there where we have emergency stop, spindle start, spindle stop, spindle reverse, spindle forward, and we could have some lighting on off for the same, coolant on off for the controls we have in the system, and we have a exclusive software for this CNC simulation where we can go for dry run. What is the purpose of dry run is, without wasting material, we can just see simulation how the tool cuts the workpiece. So we can check the simulation with the help of CNC program, which we call it as path program. In that program, the movement of the tool path is given. Actually, automatic tool path ATP is programmed in the path programming. That program will run accordingly through the simulation. So once the simulation part is okay, then we can go for jog mode, and then we can go for listening. So initially, first what we have to do is, we have to check with the tool magazine. Here we have a tool magazine, you can see here, where 6 tools are being mounted, so that we can give command like T01, which we call for tool number 1, T02 we call for tool number 2 as well, respectively. And we have a stepper motor here. We all know what is stepper motor. So stepper motor is nothing but a motor which can control the developments precisely. So it can move step by step, or it can control the rotations precisely. Right? So this stepper motor helps in the movement of tool post as well as cross slide and carriage. So first of all, we have to write a program of what the steps has to be followed. For example, we have turning, facing, drilling. These 3 operations we will take. Drilling is a process where we can make holes. Turning is a process where we can reduce the size of the work specimen, that is lengthwise. Facing is the operation where we can reduce the diameter of the workpiece. So these 3 operations we can write a program, and then we can simulate and then see it, then come here to set the offset. So the very important part of CNC is we have an offset. Offset is nothing but a guide where the tool should start. Okay. For example, you have to come to college. At which point you have to start, at which point you have to get the bus, and which point you have to come and reach the college. These are all the 3 things. Before that, the initial program is you have to start from 1 point. So that is called a datum or 0 point, where the tool is set by the operator. There is a requirement of skill for the same. So after setting the offset, then we have to take that as reference, and we have to go for listening process. So normally ductile materials and brittle materials both are being done. So for ductile materials, we need a coolant for cooling the tool, and as well as chip flow. We have studied the types of chips, discontinuous chips, continuous chips, and continuous chips, build-up chips, 3 types of chips. So all the 3 can come here. So there is a coolant pump, and a setup of motors running behind the machine, which will pump the coolant from the tank, and then it will apply to the workpiece and tool interface. The temperature of the tool as well as temperature of the workpiece is maintained by the coolant. Okay. So this is how all this versatile machine where the human errors are limited. In the conventional machine, you can tell there is a possibility of errors, but this machine will not make any errors like conventional machines. I hope you understood what is the basic things of